Hello, let's go to explore the resources present in Moodle. Now we are in the TPA area because we need to have the teacher rules for add or work with a resource. Now I turn editing on. And I can add an activity or resource by clicking on this. Okay, on the top there are activities, and now we are on resources. We have a little window that show in the left a list with all the resources, and if I click on one of these on the right, I can read an explanation and an explanation of this this resource that I selected. For add any one of these resources, I need to select one and click on add. Now I am in adding a new book. I need to insert the name. Okay, and a description. Okay. Okay. If I click on expand all, I can see all chapter formatting, numbers, or I can choose known bullets. Indeed, I prefer numbers. Style of navigation, image or text. I want to show you. Okay, custom titles. It's interesting to see. We can add restriction, and I can enable the date of expect completed on. Okay, I can decide a date. Now I go on and save and return to course. Now I can see my Stefania's book. Clicking on, I can add a chapter. I can add a chapter, for example, I need save change. Now I can see in the table of contents the first chapter. If I click here, I can add a new chapter. For example, Okay. Now I return to topic 5. I decide to add another resource, and I choose label. I have some problem with connection. Label. Okay. And I can write here my text. I have some problem. It's very slow. Okay, I can use the rich editor present in Moodle. I can choose font, font family, and I decide to use another color for my work. Okay. Save and return, and I can see my label. Okay. With this one, I can move my contents. Okay. Add an activity or resource. I choose, for example, URL. Okay. Okay. Paste the link and save and return to the course. Add an activity or resource. I can add also a file. Insert here the title, the name, and a little description. Then I can drag and drop my file and save and return. Now I add folder, I insert the name, and the description. Then and so the content, the files. I can use drag and drop, and I can choose to display the contents on a separate page or inline on a course page. Save and return to the course, and so I can see all my activities. Thank you very much.